Welcome to Digital Dominator. We're diving into the top 5 digital marketing FAQs that I get asked all the time. Look, you're bombarded with information 24/7, and let's be real, it can be overwhelming. That's why I'm breaking it down, simplifying the game, so you can crush your goals. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, these tips are pure gold. First question, and it's a big one. How do I choose the right social media platform for my business? Listen, I get it. You see everyone and their grandma on 5 different platforms, and you think you need to be everywhere too. But here's the deal. It's not about being on every platform, it's about being on the right platforms. You need to go where your audience hangs out. Think about it. If you're selling skateboards, you're not going to spend all your time on LinkedIn, right? You're going to be on Instagram, TikTok, maybe even YouTube, creating content that resonates with that audience. Do your research. Look at your target demographics, their interests, their online behavior. Each platform has a ton of data you can use to your advantage. Facebook is still king for reach, Instagram is visual storytelling central, LinkedIn is for professionals, TikTok is all about short-form viral content. Don't spread yourself too thin trying to be everywhere. Start with 1 or 2 platforms that align with your target audience and master them. Once you've got a solid foundation, then you can explore expanding your reach. Remember, quality over quantity always wins. Next up, the age-old question, what's more important, SEO or paid ads? And my answer is, it depends. Look, there's no one-size-fits-all answer in digital marketing. Both SEO and paid ads have their place in a solid strategy, but the key is understanding which one aligns with your specific goals. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a long game. It's about optimizing your website and content to rank higher in organic search results. It takes time, effort, and consistency, but the payoff is huge. Organic traffic is incredibly valuable because it's targeted. People are finding you because they're actively searching for what you offer. Paid ads, on the other hand, are like the express lane to visibility. You're paying to get your message in front of your target audience instantly. It's a great way to drive quick traffic and generate leads, especially when you're just starting out or launching a new product or service. The best approach? A combination of both. Use SEO to build a strong foundation for long-term growth and organic visibility. Then, leverage paid ads strategically to boost specific campaigns, target new audiences, or drive immediate results. It's all about finding the right balance for your business, ensuring both short-term gains and long-term success. Now let's tackle another common question. What are the key differences between the top social media platforms? Facebook is great for building community and sharing a variety of content types. Instagram, on the other hand, is highly visual and perfect for brand storytelling. Twitter is all about real-time updates and engaging in conversations. LinkedIn is the go-to platform for professional networking and B2B marketing. Each platform has its unique strengths, so choose the ones that align best with your audience and goals. Third, measuring success. KPIs that matter. Let's talk about measuring success, because if you're not tracking your results, you're just throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks, right? That's where KPIs come in, key performance indicators. These are the metrics that tell you how your campaigns are performing and whether you're hitting your goals. But here's the thing, not all KPIs are created equal. You need to track the metrics that actually matter for your business. If you're focused on driving traffic to your website, then website traffic, bounce rate, and time on site are crucial KPIs. If your goal is to generate leads, then you'll want to track metrics like conversion rates, cost per lead, and lead quality. And if you're all about sales, then revenue, customer lifetime value, and return on investment, ROI, are your go-to KPIs. The key is to identify your primary business objectives and then choose the KPIs that align with those objectives. Don't get bogged down in vanity metrics that don't translate to real business results. Focus on the numbers that matter and use them to inform your strategy and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Fourth, content consistency, quality over quantity. How often should I post content? It's a question that haunts every marketer's dreams, keeping them up at night. And I get it, you want to stay top of mind, right? But here's the thing. Consistency trumps quantity every single time. It's better to post 3 times a week with high-quality, engaging content than to churn out daily posts that are just noise. Think about it. Would you rather have a few close friends who you connect with deeply, or hundreds of acquaintances you barely know? It's the same with your audience. They want quality over quantity. They want content that provides value, sparks their interest, and keeps them coming back for more. So how do you find the right balance? Start by understanding your audience's content consumption habits. How often are they on social media? What type of content do they engage with the most? Use this information to create a content calendar that aligns with their needs and your capacity to deliver. Remember, consistency is key. Establish a posting schedule that you can realistically maintain and stick to it. Your audience will appreciate the predictability, and you'll be able to build a stronger connection over time, fostering loyalty and trust. Last FAQ, conversion rate optimization, the secret sauce. Last but not least, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, conversions. Specifically, how to improve your conversion rate and turn more visitors into paying customers. The secret sauce, my friends, is a potent blend of optimization and personalization. Optimization is all about making sure your website and landing pages are designed to convert. This means having clear calls to action, easy navigation, mobile friendliness, and a seamless checkout process. It's about removing any friction points that might prevent someone from taking the desired action. Personalization, on the other hand, is about tailoring the user experience to the individual. This means using data to understand your audience's preferences, behaviors, and pain points, and then delivering content and offers that resonate with them on a deeper level. Think about it. Would you be more likely to buy from a company that sends you generic marketing blasts, or one that seems to read your mind and offers you exactly what you need when you need it? Personalization is all about creating those aha moments for your audience, making them feel seen, heard, and understood. By combining optimization and personalization, you create a powerful 1-2 punch that can significantly boost your conversion rates. It's about creating an experience that's both effective and enjoyable, leading to more leads, more sales, and more happy customers. In the end, it's all about making your audience feel valued and catered to. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip for you. Always stay updated with the latest trends in digital marketing. The digital world evolves fast, and what works today might not work tomorrow. So how do you stay ahead of the game? Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow thought leaders on social media, and continuously test new strategies. By staying informed and adaptable, you'll ensure that your marketing efforts remain effective and cutting edge. Remember, in the world of digital marketing, knowledge and agility are your best allies. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep winning. That's it for today's digital marketing deep dive. I hope you found these tips valuable and feel ready to tackle your marketing challenges head-on. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to succeed in this ever-evolving digital landscape. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more actionable insights and strategies to level up your digital marketing game. And hey, don't be shy. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer them. Let's keep the conversation going and help each other thrive in the digital world. And that's a wrap. Did you learn something new?